Hi guys, welcome to my channel Enticing Arisha, and today I'm going to speak on the topic of detachment. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos with all your friends, and thank you for all your love and support that you have been extending towards my channel. Okay, actually, I had a call from one of my viewers who wanted me to speak about detachment. Recently, he has gone through a tough patch in his life. So, he is a little depressed and he wanted me to speak about detachment. What exactly is detachment? Now, coming to speak about detachment. Detachment is nothing but moving away from attachment. Attachment is something that's very easy for people to understand, and people know, and people are familiar with it and they kind of like it. Attachment means you are like in a given situation where you are looking towards pleasure and joy as the outcome. Now, let me give you an example. For example, if there are you have friends, you're attached to your friends, you're attached to your job, you're attached to your finances, you're attached to your family, you are attached to your personality, you are attached to your comfort zone, you basically are attached to so many things, right? So attachment is something that you can easily relate to, correct? Today we are going to see about detachment. Now, for example, you're in a group of 10 friends, and one of your friend has recently had a very tough patch in his life. Okay, he has lost someone who's really close to him, and is feeling very low, or he has perhaps had a breakup, or he's perhaps had a tough financial situation, and he's like fighting the situation around. So as a friend, what would you do? There are many people who say, hey dude, even I'm like upset for you, I'm sad for your given situation, I wish I could do something for you, I wish, and I'm really hurt because I cannot see you cry, or I cannot see you in pain. But does this actually help? Does this actually help the person? I don't think so. You actually, and you need to bring him out of the situation. So what do? You basically detach yourself from that given situation. You are detaching yourself from that situation. How do you do that? You just speak to your friend, hi mate, I know you're having a tough day, you're going through lots of negative thoughts in you, but it's okay, it's a bad day for you, come on, let's go to the pub, have a couple of drinks, or perhaps let's go for a movie, or let's go, if it's a woman, you can say let's go for some shopping, and I'm sure all the ladies around would love it. So maybe do something like that and just divert them, and they will be able to come out of that situation. So this is detachment. Detachment means coming away from a given situation. And I have a question for you guys. I have a question for all of you, all of my viewers here. Are you willing to be that one person who can like come forward and help the society out, or help the family, or help the friends out whenever they are into a tough or a crisis situation? I'm sure you're going to ask me like, what about you? My answer is yes. I'm a very detached person. I'm a very clear person, and I just wish all my viewers around are also detached from a given situation. You know, to speak a little further, I would say detachment is also like keeping your thoughts away from being receptive to other people's views or thoughts. And how do you do that? So you basically, what you can do is like, in case like somebody is speaking to you saying, oh, this was not right, this was not to be done this way, this was not to be done that way, then you can clearly put it up in front of them saying, this was my view, and these are the reasons why I basically did this work in such a way. Now, for example, you're basically you need to protect your energy from other people's energy, you know. For example, if suppose you have had a tough day, you should be in a position to accept, yes, I have had a tough day, I have had a tough situation, I am going through a crisis, but it's okay, it's natural, it happens with everybody. Detachment is very important when it comes to like handling your emotions. You need to detach yourself from your anger, you need to detach yourself from pleasure, you need to detach yourself from your family, your relationships, your bondings, your finances, your job. Now, I know many of my viewers are going to pounce on me saying, how can I detach myself from a relationship? Relationships are the best thing in life for a person. Definitely, yes. I'm not saying break your relationship. I'm just saying detach yourself from a relationship, you know. You have to be in a position to like stand for your people, to take decisions, to help people around by not being overly attached or by not being attached to a given situation. Now, for example, let me come to the job perspective, because many of my viewers are just fresh into their jobs and are looking for guidance in terms of jobs and careers. So see, you have to be attached, you have to be detached to your job. I don't say you quit your job and you just sit in the house and you say, I'm like detached from my job and I have quit and I'm going to pursue my hobby. No, that's not exactly what I mean. What I want to say is you have to work from your normal working hours, like from 10 to 6. That's fine, and you have to give the best of what you do. Okay, you have control over your way of working. You can like excel in whatever you do, but don't do things just looking at things like, okay, if I do this, I will get an increment, I will get a hefty bonus back. That's where your expectation and attachments start coming, and that's where you get disappointments too. And you know what happens, like I've seen many people who are in this particular COVID situation, people are sitting on the laptops even in the night by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, sitting and trying to work, and then they are having sleepless nights, their night routine is really bad, then they kind of have unhealthy eating habits, their mood swings are really bad. And I'm not saying just with work, this could be even with your businesses or with your career or with whatever you're doing. And even when you're sleeping, your brain is working, thinking about your next activity which has to be done. Do you think this actually helps you? It helps you in long process, it helps you in your productivity? Definitely no. This doesn't help you with your productivity. What happens is your performance gets bad and it gets worse. So this is where your detachment will help you. You detach yourself, you finish your job from your 10 to 6 schedule. After that, detach yourself from your job. Do something which is your hobby, do something that you like to do, perhaps go on a date, perhaps read a book, perhaps go on a drive, perhaps spend some time with your family. You can do so many other things which seek your attention, and that's how you kind of get a balance in life. That's how you kind of move forward in life. And this is essential for everybody in their daily life. Okay, so I hope I have been able to add some value to your thought process, and I've got a couple of other viewers who came to me today and they wanted me to speak about breakup in relationships. So I will be covering that in my next video. Until then, see you and bye bye.